Alright, you guys, subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel for more recipes just like this one. Here we go, spring is here. And you know what that means. Vibrant, fresh, and downright delicious produce bursting with flavor. It's time to ditch those heavy winter meals and embrace the lightness and zing of spring. Now I'm all about simple, family-friendly recipes, and today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of salads. But hold on, we're not talking about your boring old lettuce and tomato situation. Oh no, we're spicing things up with exciting flavor combinations and unique twists that'll have you craving salads all season long. Before we get started, tell me in the comments below, what are your favorite springtime ingredients? Are you a fan of asparagus? Or do peas make your heart sing? Let's get chatting. First up, we've got a real springtime stunner, a spring pea and asparagus salad with a zingy lemon vinaigrette. This dish is not only a feast for the eyes with its vibrant colors, but it's also a celebration of the freshest produce spring has to offer. This salad is all about celebrating those beautiful green veggies that are just begging to be devoured this time of year. Think of it as a tribute to the season, where every bite is a burst of freshness and flavor. Now, look at these beauties. Fresh, crisp asparagus spears and vibrant green peas. They just scream springtime freshness, don't they? It's like having a piece of the garden right on your plate. And the key to this salad is using the freshest ingredients you can get your hands on. Trust me, it makes all the difference. When you start with top-notch produce, you don't need to do much to make it shine. Let's start with the asparagus. Now, you don't want to overcook these bad boys. We're going for a slight crunch, so a quick blanch is all they need. This way, they retain their vibrant color and a delightful snap. Just get a pot of water boiling, add a pinch of salt, always season your water, folks. And give those asparagus spears a quick dip for about 2 to 3 minutes. The salt not only seasons the asparagus, but also helps to keep that bright green color intact. While they're blanching, prepare a bowl of ice water. This will stop the cooking process and help them retain that gorgeous green color. It's a little trick that ensures your veggies stay crisp and vibrant. Once the asparagus is done, fish them out of the boiling water and plunge them straight into the ice bath. This step is crucial for locking in that perfect texture and color. Next up, the peas. If you're using fresh peas, pod them just before cooking for the best flavor. Fresh peas have a sweetness that's simply unbeatable. Frozen peas work a treat too. Just defrost them before adding them to the salad. They are a convenient option and still pack a punch of flavor. Now for the star of the show, the lemon vinaigrette. This dressing is so simple, yet it packs a real punch of flavor. It's the perfect balance of tangy and savory, bringing all the elements of the salad together. In a bowl, whisk together some extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Remember, always roll your lemons on the counter before juicing to get the most out of them. A pinch of salt and a good crack of black pepper. This combination is a classic for a reason. It's bright, zesty, and incredibly versatile. And here's a little trick. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to the vinaigrette. It adds a lovely creamy texture and a subtle tang that complements the asparagus and peas beautifully. The mustard also helps to emulsify the dressing, giving it a nice smooth consistency. Give everything a good whisk until it's all nicely combined. You want the flavors to meld together perfectly, creating a harmonious dressing that will elevate your salad. Now taste it. It should be nice and zingy from the lemon with a subtle sweetness from the olive oil. You can adjust the seasoning to your liking. If you prefer a bit more tang, add a touch more lemon juice. If you like it a bit milder, a little more olive oil will do the trick. Now let's assemble this beauty. Drain the asparagus and peas and add them to a large bowl. Make sure they're well drained so the vinaigrette can cling to them nicely. Pour over that gorgeous lemon vinaigrette and gently toss everything together until it's all coated in that zesty goodness. Be gentle to avoid breaking the delicate peas and asparagus. And there you have it. A light, refreshing, and utterly delicious spring pea and asparagus salad that's perfect for a light lunch, a side dish, or even a picnic on a sunny day. It's a dish that truly captures the essence of spring, bringing a burst of freshness to your table. Next up, we're going for a flavor combination that's as bold as it is delicious. Strawberry and feta salad with a homemade balsamic glaze. This dish is a perfect blend of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. This salad is all about contrasting flavors and textures, the sweetness of the strawberries, the saltiness of the feta, the peppery bite of the arugula, and that rich, tangy balsamic glaze. Oh my, each bite is a delightful surprise, making it a truly memorable dish. Just look at those colors. Juicy red strawberries, vibrant green arugula, and that beautiful white feta. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. The visual appeal of this salad is just as important as its taste. Now the key to this salad is using ripe, in-season strawberries. They are the star of the show and bring a natural sweetness that can't be replicated with out-of-season berries. They should be plump, fragrant, and bursting with sweetness. When you bite into them, they should be juicy and full of flavor. Give them a good wash, hull them, and slice them into halves or quarters, depending on their size. This ensures that each piece is the perfect bite size for your salad. For the feta, I like to use a good quality Greek feta. It has a rich, tangy flavor that complements the sweetness of the strawberries perfectly. It has a lovely tangy flavor and a slightly crumbly texture that works perfectly in this salad. The feta adds a creamy element that balances the other ingredients. You can crumble it directly into the salad or cut it into small cubes. Either way, it will add a delightful texture and flavor to each bite. And now for the base of our salad, arugula. Its peppery flavor adds a nice contrast to the sweet strawberries and tangy feta. I love the peppery bite that arugula brings to this salad, but you can use any type of lettuce you fancy. Spinach, romaine, or even a mix of different greens would work well. Each type of green will bring its own unique flavor and texture to the salad. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the balsamic glaze. This glaze ties all the flavors together and adds a rich, tangy finish to the salad. This glaze is incredibly easy to make and it elevates this salad to a whole new level of deliciousness. The process is simple, but the result is a complex, flavorful glaze that enhances every ingredient in the salad. All you need is a good quality balsamic vinegar and a little bit of honey. The honey adds a touch of sweetness that balances the acidity of the vinegar. Simply pour the balsamic vinegar into a small saucepan and add a drizzle of honey. This combination will create a beautifully balanced glaze. Bring it to a simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low and let it bubble away gently for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's reduced by half and has a syrupy consistency. This slow reduction process intensifies the flavors and thickens the glaze. Keep a close eye on it though, as it can burn easily. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of a spoon. The glaze should be thick and glossy with a rich, deep flavor. While the glaze is simmering, assemble your salad. This is the fun part where you get to see all the beautiful ingredients come together. Combine the sliced strawberries, crumbled feta, and arugula in a large bowl. Make sure to mix them well so that each bite has a bit of everything. Drizzle over a little extra virgin olive oil and give everything a gentle toss. The olive oil adds a nice richness and helps to bring all the flavors together. Once the balsamic glaze has thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. This will allow it to thicken even more and develop its full flavor. Now drizzle that gorgeous glaze over your salad and don't be shy. The glaze is what makes this salad truly special. And there you have it, a strawberry and feta salad with balsamic glaze that's bursting with flavor and freshness. Each bite is a perfect balance of sweet, salty, and tangy. It's the perfect salad to impress your friends and family, or simply to enjoy on a warm summer evening. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just looking for a delicious and healthy meal, this salad is sure to be a hit. Right, let's talk salad secrets. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your salad game with vibrant, fresh ingredients. Here are my top 3 tips for making delicious spring salads that'll have you singing with joy. These tips will elevate your salad making skills to a whole new level. Tip number 1, prep those ingredients like a pro. The foundation of any great salad is fresh, well-prepared ingredients. Washing and drying your salad ingredients properly is crucial for crisp, delicious salads. This step ensures that your greens are clean and free from any unwanted grit. Nobody wants a soggy salad, right? Excess moisture can ruin the texture and taste of your salad. Use a salad spinner to remove excess water from your lettuce and herbs. It's a game changer for achieving that perfect crunch. It makes a world of difference, trust me. Your salads will be fresher and more enjoyable. And for ingredients like asparagus and green beans, trim those ends before using them. This simple step enhances the flavor and texture of your veggies. Tip number 2, dress to impress. A great dressing can transform a simple salad into a gourmet experience. The key to a great salad is a great dressing. It brings all the flavors together and adds that extra zing. And the key to a great dressing? Fresh ingredients and a balance of flavors. Fresh ingredients and proper storage. Always use the freshest herbs and spices you can find. Always use fresh herbs and spices whenever possible, as they add a burst of flavor that dried ones just can't match. And store your dressings in airtight containers in the fridge to keep them fresh and flavorful. This way you can make a big batch and use it throughout the week. And here's a little trick. Dress your salads just before serving. This keeps the leaves from getting soggy and ensures every bite is perfect. This prevents the leaves from wilting and ensures that every bite is bursting with flavor. Your guests will be impressed with the freshness. Tip number 3, don't be afraid to experiment. Salads are a blank canvas for flavor, so let your creativity shine. Salads are a blank canvas for flavor, so get creative and have fun with them. Try new ingredients and combinations, so get creative and have fun with them. Mix and match different textures and flavors. Mix and match different greens, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, cheeses. The possibilities are endless. Each combination can bring a new taste experience. And don't be afraid to try new flavor combinations. You never know what delicious creation you might come up with. You might just surprise yourself with your next culinary masterpiece. Happy salad making! So there you have it, my friends. 2 delicious and easy springtime salads that are bursting with flavor and freshness. Remember, the key is to use the best quality seasonal ingredients you can find, and don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. Now look at these beauties. Aren't they just begging to be devoured? I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and embrace the wonderful world of springtime salads. Don't forget to share your own salad creations with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.